The year 2025 is shaping up to be massive for Apple fans, especially for anyone who uses AirPods or the Apple Watch every single day. Right now, rumors and leaks are pointing to two huge upgrades, the AirPods Pro 3 and the Apple Watch Series 11. Both of these devices are expected to bring not just small tweaks, but completely new health tracking features that could change the way we think about wearables and everyday gadgets. If you're someone who cares about fitness, health monitoring, or just wants the latest Apple tech, these updates might be game-changing. Let's start with the AirPods Pro 3. At first glance, most people think of AirPods as just earbuds, but Apple has been working behind the scenes to make them way more than that. The big rumor is that the AirPods Pro 3 will feature built-in heart rate monitoring. Imagine putting in your earbuds for a workout and being able to track your heart rate directly through them, no smartwatch required. This would completely change how people use AirPods during exercise, because it means you're not only listening to music but also keeping track of your health in real time. The new AirPods Pro are also expected to come with a brand new chipset, which should improve both performance and battery life. Some reports say that Apple is working on better active noise cancellation too, making the listening experience even cleaner, whether you're on a plane, in the gym, or just walking down the street. And for design, while they may look similar at first, there are whispers that Apple could slightly redesign the case, maybe slimmer, maybe with a new charging method, possibly even moving closer to USB-C across all devices. If you thought AirPods couldn't get more essential, this might be the year they do. Now, let's move to the Apple Watch Series 11. This is where things get really exciting, especially for people who want to use their watch as a health companion. The biggest rumor right now is blood pressure monitoring. If this turns out to be true, it would make the Apple Watch one of the most advanced health tracking devices available to everyday consumers. Instead of needing a bulky cuff to check your blood pressure, your watch could do it seamlessly right on your wrist. That's the kind of upgrade that takes the Apple Watch from a nice-to-have gadget into a real medical tool. Another feature that's being talked about is a possible camera built into the watch. That might sound futuristic, but Apple has reportedly been experimenting with adding a tiny camera to the watch face for things like FaceTime calls or quick snapshots. Combine that with faster performance thanks to the new S12 chip, and we're looking at a smartwatch that feels closer to a tiny iPhone on your wrist. There are also rumors of 5G support and deeper AI integration, which could make Siri and Apple's upcoming AI features more responsive and more useful than ever. Together, the AirPods Pro 3 and the Apple Watch 11 show us exactly where Apple is headed. Not just making gadgets, but creating a connected ecosystem that's centered around health, convenience, and AI. Imagine a future where your earbuds monitor your heart rate during a workout, your watch measures your blood pressure throughout the day, and your iPhone or Apple Health app brings all of that data together in one place. That's the direction Apple seems to be taking, and it's a future that feels closer than ever. So, the question is, are you ready for Apple to make your earbuds and your watch just as important as your iPhone? Because if even half of these rumors are true, the AirPods Pro 3 and the Apple Watch 11 could be some of the most exciting upgrades we've seen from Apple in years.